12 degrees out. I'm in my bathing suit, and I'm going to take off my shirt and run around the snow.
I am too.
Yeah, she's going to roll around. I'm going to run around my house like 5 times.
I'm just going to roll in the snow like once.
I'm just going to put this back inside so it doesn't get wet. And I'm going to...
Can you hold my towel when I roll in the snow?
Ready? Ready, guys?
Sure.
The moment.
She's been all waiting for. Oh, yeah.
I'd like to...
Oh, my God.
I'd like to ask Nora how many times I should run around the house.
20. 5.
5?
10.
I'm going to go.
Let's go. 7.
Ready? 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my God! Okay. No.
Start rolling.
Back here.
Start rolling.
I know. No. Oh, come back here. I have to hold myself.
It's 1. Number
oh my
1.
God.
There he goes again. All right, start rolling. Let's go right there. Quit your complaining and quit your whining. Let's go. You got this.
I can't see anymore. I can't feel my feet at all.
All right. He made it through 2. That's good for 13 degrees. No, sorry, 12 degrees. Okay. Let's see your dive in. Let's go. Go.
Go! Get my towel already. Oh, God.
Do I have to push you?
No. I'm going here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's cool!
What a baby! Oh, never mind. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.